How to reset Instagram Explore page. Step 1. Adjusting your interests. Open Instagram. At the bottom right of the screen, you will see a profile page. Tap on it. Tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in, scroll down to the What You See section, tap on Suggested Content. Here you'll find the Interest section. Previously, you showed interest in any posts. They will be shown here. Simply remove them from interest. This tells Instagram's algorithm to stop showing you similar content in the future. Step 2. Managing sensitive content. Next, go back to the previous menu and select Sensitive Content. Here you can adjust the settings to see less content that might be sensitive or graphic. Opt for the Less Sensitive option to clean up your feed from unwanted posts and reels. Step 3. Utilizing Not Interested option. Let's refine what pops up in your Explore page even further. Navigate to your Explore page. Tap on a post or reel that doesn't interest you. Hit the 3 dots at the top right of the post and select Not Interested. The more you do this, the better Instagram gets at filtering out similar content. Step 4. Clearing search history. A great tip to reset your page is to clear your Instagram search history. Just go to your search bar, click on the little X next to your recent searches, and clear them out. This prevents old searches from influencing what shows up on your Explore page. Step 5. Unliking past content. If you've liked posts or reels in the past that you're no longer interested in, it's time to unlike them. Tap on the profile picture. Go to Your Activity in the Interactions section and select the Likes. Here, you can unlike posts and reels you no longer care about, which will further refine your feed. And that's it.